Temu, which is a online shopping app and which gives you free products, and for that there are lots of questions like why it gives you free products, why it ships the product free, and is it safe, how is the quality of these products. So in this video we will figure out these all questions. So for this clarification I ordered a product which was free. So it was Lenovo earbuds. Firstly let's unboxing it.
Okay, that is the envelope that we got from the Temu. Firstly, let's open it, and here is the box of Lenovo ThinkPlus. So unbox it, and here is what we get in this box. This is the manual. So this is the big manual, and there is nothing. It's like basic info, and that was the charger cable. And here is our ThinkPlus earbuds. So it's Lenovo's ThinkPlus. Here is button that has a green indicator that shows it has power and it's on, and that was the type C charging. And this is the design of, it's like airport, you can see it clearly. So that's what we got in the box.
Okay, if I judge it according to price, the product is the best because I didn't pay anything for that. And if I judge it according to the quality, it's trash because the low quality sound, noise, low treble, it hurts when we hear the music at full sound. So this is the disadvantage of cheap things. But if you talk about its design, oh my god, what a design! It looks like AirPods. Wow, the design is best. Okay, so now it is the time to answer the questions. So first answer is to make its own hype, and the second answer is to connect the public with it, and the third answer is quality is cheap, and the fourth answer is if it asks for your card info then don't go with that because after that you may get in trouble. So be safe and just enjoy the free product any loss without any loss. So today's video ends here. If you think this video had some good information then please don't leave this channel without subscribing. So be safe and have the best rest of time. Thank you.